there, I'm Chef Kaye Torres, and today I have another fun little cooking video. I've noticed that a lot of us are cooking more and more at home and looking for new dishes to serve. Well, I've got one for you. Today we're making spiced chicken with super honey soy garlic sauce with a side of cilantro rice. We're going to be using a lot of pantry staples today, but don't worry, if you don't have those, you can easily find them at your local groceries. For this recipe, I'll be using chicken thigh fillet, and if you don't have them, bone-in thigh will do. As for our silky sauce, we'll be using this Blackbutt honey from a top-notch Australian brand, A Buzz from the Bees, which I found in One World Deli. This honey is both aromatic and distinct, but the best quality of all is it has a high total activity count which strengthens our immune system as we eat it. That's why it's called a super honey. Plus, it makes a really tasty dish. This is honey living its best life. Now let's make our sauce base. First, we add water, then we add soy sauce, then lemon juice, and of course, our Blackbutt honey from A Buzz from the Bees. We just mix this together until it's incorporated. Then we set it aside. Now for our spices, let's mix in pepper, some salt, some paprika, and some cumin. Now, let's just mix it. And here, we have our chicken thigh fillet. And now we season it with our spices. We season both sides, skin side and skin side down. Preheat our pan. Then we add our oil. We add our chicken skin side down. So just let it cook skin side down till you get a nice golden brown skin. So now our skin is golden brown. Then we flip it and we cook it for a couple of minutes. You don't have to cook it 100% because we're gonna cook it inside the sauce as well. After we take out the chicken, we'll make our sauce using the same pan. We add some garlic and we lightly saute this without coloration. Then we add our sauce base, the one that we made a while ago. Put back our chicken. We let it boil to fully cook the chicken with copper. Let's make our side. Our cilantro butter rice. First, we add the butter. So let's just melt the butter. Add our rice. Then we add cilantro and just a pinch of salt. After it's cooked and well incorporated, we set it aside. Now our chicken is cooked. So we take out the chicken and we let the sauce reduce for a bit and we add cilantro. Actually, I love cilantro, so I'll put it a little bit more. So now we have a very nice consistency of the sauce. We're ready to plate. So first, we put in the chicken and we give a nice spoonful of our super honey soy garlic sauce. And for our rice, put it in our bowl. And that's it. Very easy, right? It's doable any time of the week. If you don't mind, I'm gonna take a moment to savor this. This is Chef Kaye Torres and I'll see you soon.